Welcome to this week's episode of The Next 48 Hours, where we cover everything from weekends that passed to the weekend coming up. Now, speaking of that, what's our first insert?
Well, our first insert, we take a look at the Cape Town International Boat Show, which happened at the CTICC, and it extended all the way to the marina and the waterfront. And there was so much on offer, from your little paddle boats to big luxurious boats. We spoke to some of the exhibitors that were at the Cape Town International Boat Show.
Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm from Quick Boats. We've got here today the new foldable lightweight Quick Boat. Folds up in seconds, folds down in seconds. It's lightweight and easy to use. Nice use for this product is you can take boating anywhere. There's no need for storage, and it's a lightweight boat that anyone can put together. With two people, it's easily put together in under 60 seconds. And we're done. We're ready for you to have fun on the water, enjoy your day out boating with a nice, easy, lightweight boat.
My name is JP, I'm from Camp & Klein. We are in Paarden Island 42 Marine Drive. We sell gazebos, Tenko gazebos, tents and trailer tents. We can sell stretchers. From stretchers we sell camping chairs, from mattresses we sell sleeping bags. You can make a turn by us. We are in Paarden Island, like I said.
My name is Johan Brits and I'm a co-owner of Rope World. Rope World is a marine and outdoor supplier. We also make up nets. In particular, we make up nets for cargo vessels. We make up nets in the marine business. We make up nets for jungle gyms and marine fittings. But we also a supplier of Lalisa's yacht fittings. We've been around for about 7 years, and the business has developed over the last few years into quite a major player in the marine and yachting market.